Hi, welcome to Glide FX. In this video, I will share with you on how to make call on your TikTok app. So this is a new feature on TikTok. To do that, you have to open your TikTok app, click on the inbox icon here. Now, the rule guiding this feature is that you must follow that person and that person must follow you on TikTok. If both of you are not following each other, this feature will not be available for both of you. Now, to do that, let me show you an example. If you look at this person here, you see that you can see the call icon here because I'm following this person, as you can see it. But if you are not following this person, you're not going to see the icon. Let's say the person just sent you a friend request and you accepted it, but you're not following this person. Like this, you can see there is no call icon. So this person now, I'm not following this person, so this person don't have any call icon here for me to call his or he or she. Now you also have to make sure that you have an updated TikTok app. If your TikTok app is not updated, you cannot find this feature on your TikTok app. So guys, that is it on how to make call on TikTok. If you want to make call, make sure both of you are following each other on TikTok app. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like this channel and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.